What's up, you guys? Welcome back. If you have an older Toyota vehicle, a Highlander, Corolla, I've seen it on cameras and your brake lights staying on like that, here's a little quick tip for you to follow. Hopefully you can save some money. Make your way towards the driver's side and look underneath where the driver kick panel is by the brake pedal area and look kind of up. I'm pressing the brake pedal up and down so you can kind of see. You see where the little green plastic little caps are, broken pieces are? That's where your brake switch is. Now the concept of this is there's supposed to be a pad there that every time you press on the brake pedal, it releases that switch, and when you release the brake pedal, it makes contact with the switch to let them know to turn off the light. But over time, it gets crystallized. That's the new one right there. Over time, it gets crystallized and it falls off. So there's nothing pushing on that switch to let the computer know to keep your brake lights off. So in this particular one, you can still see the residue. You see that hole there? Every time you release the brakes, nothing happens to that switch. You see? Let me give you a better visual. It's supposed to be mounted right in there. So that way when you release the pedal, that little rubber piece right here makes contact with the switch. And you see clearly nothing is there. So what we want is install a new one in that spot. So every time we release the brake pedal, it can make contact with that switch. Show you. See how you're going on, off? Yeah, my glove have ripped in the process. That's why you can see my thumb. Sorry about that, guys. So you want to put your new pieces there with the help of an assistant helping you push that brake pedal down. It helps if you have the engine running. You can sneak that little rubber pad in there. And see now every time you release the brake pedal, it makes contact with that switch versus a hole being there where the switch will remain open. If you guys found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.